is called Capture the Tag. Users can play the game by placing NFC tags in different locations nearby and playing a version of Capture the Flag with different markers. Once you get to the opening screen, users can either join or create a new game. On the Create New Game page, users can add from teams between 2 to 5 teams. You can also set up a timer from 2 minutes all the way to 2 hours. Once the settings have been picked, you click a button which generates a unique 6-digit code for the game.
So as you can see, the interface updates accordingly. And now if we go to Firebase and go to this URL with the code, we can actually see the documents that are set up in Firebase that correspond to this specific instance of the game. So the first thing you'll see in the database once a game is set up is it's all classified under the code of the game. There's also a code tag with the same value. There's a list of tags, which is every NFC tag that would be playable in this game. It has a claim field, so which team claimed it. It has an ID field, as well as the latitude and longitude of this tag. There's a list of them, so there are multiple, of course, with different IDs and different latitudes and longitudes. You can also see the number of teams is recorded, so I said 5, and that's updated, as well as the time of 27 minutes, which I had also indicated earlier. Now, once a user puts in their name and selects their team, so let's say Choo Choo and the green team, there'll be a new record added called players. So the more players that are added, they'll all be nested under this. They're all given a unique ID, game code, name, as well as their team association. So now, say every single player has joined this game that is going to join this game. Once Go is clicked, there'll actually be an update in the database. So the time will update to -1, indicating that the game has started, and this will make sure that nobody else can restart the game by joining late. And there'll also be this field right here called times. Times will have information like when the game was started, as well as when the game ends, and this is in order to make sure that all the clocks on all the devices playing are synchronized.
Other players can join the game by inputting the game code. Both players type in their nicknames and then choose the team they want to be in. Once they're done, it takes them to a screen displaying all the joined players.
Once all the players are added, the app will transition to the Maps activity, which we implemented using the Google Maps API. If the player has not previously given permission to let the app access its location, this activity will do so, and the Maps screen will update user location as it changes. Tags are color-coded on the map according to which team has claimed them. As we can see, none of the tags have been claimed, so they are currently all gray. Once a user taps a tag, the tags and all the scorekeeping are updated on all players' phones. If a different team claims a previously claimed tag, the tag on the map and the scorekeeping fields are updated accordingly. This activity also displays a timer that runs continuously in the background of all players' phones. Once the timer runs out, all player screens will transition to the Game Over activity, which will display the winner. Our plans for the future include developing an iOS app, adding an instructions page, and adding additional game modes.